What is data? The raw fact and figures are referred to as a data. Example, you score a 90 marks. So the 90 marks is the data. Now, what is information? The processed data is known as information. Here you score 90 marks, which is your data. Now what information we get from this data? That 90 marks is a grade. A grade is a information that you score a grade. What is knowledge? Synthesizing an information and make decision making. That is knowledge. Example, the top performer. You score 90 marks is the data. On the basis of that, we get information of you get an A grade. And what does that information means is that we get a knowledge of you are a top performer of the class. Now, what is the requirement of a data? Integrity, availability, security, independent of application, and concurrency. What is integrity? Integrity is basically data should be accurate. Availability should be available all the time. Security, data should only access to those who I give permission. Security is very important. Independent of application, it is very clear from the name itself. Data should be independent of the application, of the platform. Concurrent, we are able to see our data all the time. This is what concurrency means. You can learn this by simply writing it as a IASIC. It is a simple way to learn the requirement of data, so you can never forget it in your exam.